G'day everybody, Bram Lagrou here. Thank you for joining me. Are you now sitting at home, looking after kids on one side and trying to grow your business as a coach, consultant, trainer and the likes? Guess what? This video is for you. In this particular video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to go about income creation from home. So working from home and making money online from home, how do you do it? In this day and age, post-coronavirus, just shows again that those people that haven't really taken time to implement certain systems and processes in the back end to automate income generation are right now feeling the pain. And so if you haven't gone through the steps yet, and you're now looking to somehow make the most of the situation, this is a great video for you to have a look at. So 3 different things, let's have a look. So the first thing that you want to look at is productize. As a professional services provider, so whether you're a trainer, a coach, a consultant, anything, what you're doing is really trading time for money. And that's the old type of way of doing business. Every employee does it. They pretty much take a certain paycheck for the amount of time they invest, and that's how they make their money. It's active income. The same thing also with freelancers and self-employed people. As they are providing a service and getting paid for that, it's project-based, but it's still trading time for money. And yes, they might increase their income that way and they have more flexibility in terms of time. But the next step then is to productize. It's to package up your very expertise, your knowledge, your information, your insights, and package it up in books, DVDs, online courses, anything really that becomes a product independent of you that then people can buy in your absence, which means you're pretty much doing the same as Elvis Presley and Michael Jackson did. You create something of value that then is put into the world, and then people can buy the records, the CDs, the audio tracks, whatever it might be, and that is even guaranteed even when they are died. Why? Because products are still living out there in the world and people might want to buy them in whatever form they are. So your opportunity right now is to productize your knowledge, your skills, your stories, your experiences that solve pressing problems that a lot of people are facing right now. And to the extent that you do that in a way that is much better than anyone else, guess what? You're going to win. But that brings me back now to step number 2 as well, campaigning. People that create a course, for example, online, but don't drive traffic to it for people that actually might benefit from that course and might be looking for such a thing. You need to campaign. So your ability now to really use technology and social media to create the right eyeballs onto your products and then give them enticing reasons why they should buy it. This in itself is a digital marketing skill set that right now is going to help you succeed. If you haven't got it yet, it's time to develop it and really go fast with it, because you haven't got time to pretty much be complacent. There's a burning platform and now is the time to get serious about it. Last but not least, collaboration. You might have heard of people making a lot of money from home, even mums, single mums or mums just looking after kids. They write stuff up, blogs and stuff, and then refer people to certain websites and products that people can buy. Well, guess what? That is affiliate marketing. I had, for example, days where I made $15,000 in a day on affiliate marketing alone, which means as I collaborate with people that already have products, whether it's blenders, watches, rings, or books, or CDs and audio programs and whatnot. If you like things and you genuinely refer people to them for the right reasons, and you again learn how to do that, your collaborations will turn into dollars from home. And that's going to put a smile on your face, won't it? If you have the freedom to manage your own time, be able to work at home, look after your kids, school them from home if you have to, like right now in the coronavirus pandemic, all of this becomes available to you when you do these 3 things as a freelancer or a self-employed consultant, trainer, coach, or entrepreneur. Welcome to my world. I look forward to hearing more from you. If you like this, I definitely say give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, click on the link where my webinar is going to teach you exactly the in-depth on how to go about this. So join me on the webinar and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much for joining.